Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back with a new tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's such a beautiful eyeshadow look and it's perfect for fall, so I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for this look I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I haven't used this palette in a while, so I really wanted to bring it out and do something with it. So I'm going to start with the first eyeshadow and I'm placing it on the crease, and I am using a Colourpop blending brush, but I don't know the name of it, so I'll list it down below. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Roxanne on my crease as well. This is more like a chocolate brown eyeshadow. The brush I'm using is a T45 by the Makeup Shack. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow called Jax on my crease as well, and this is just going to darken up the crease a little bit because I did want it to make it a little bit darker, so this eyeshadow definitely came through. So I'm just going to be blending this out with my, let me see what the brush is, I completely forgot. This is a T82 brush by the Makeup Shack. For my eyelid, I'm going to be applying this Jelly Mud shadow by Colourpop. This is called Strawberry Jam and it's so beautiful. It went perfect with this look, like the colors and everything just match so perfectly. To finish up this look, I'm going to be applying a little bit of glitter on my inner corner, and I'm going to be using this Colourpop Bring the Heat glitter gel. So the look is all complete. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section because I would love to know, and I always read your comments, so definitely let me know.